So, hello everyone. Good morning to you all. Yeah, I hope you all are doing great. And today, I'm not in my room. Due to some circumstances, I have to move out from there because someone was there in my room, so I couldn't record my video there. But no worries. As we have promised with us that we have to remain consistent, no matter what the situation will be. So yeah, I'm here. So how are you doing today? I hope you are doing great. And you have to compensate today with the background noise that is coming throughout my way. So that is not the part of my video, I guess, because our video is have to be focused only on the matter that I am just delivering here. Yeah. So I would like to tell you one thing. I would like to share one thing to you that we should have to remain consistent throughout our journey, no matter what the situation will be, and we have to accept every situation and try to like uh, incorporate everything accordingly, so that we can sustain in our life and we can achieve anything we want. Because we all know that every day will not be the same, and we have to manage our time in that way. I can show you. Then I am in the park so that I can record my video here, and people are also there, and you can also see that people are up to their daily routine, and I am heading towards my office, but I have to record my video, so I am here. So the situation will not be favorable for you every time, but you have to follow your instinct, and you have to remain consistent every single day. And even if your odds will come out, even in the odds day, you have to rebuild your focus. And I know that it is not easy for everyone, for anyone, but we have to rebuild our focus, and we have to try to start from zero. We have to simply accept the one thing that we should only have to do three things: reset, restart, focus. I have read somewhere this thing, and I think these things makes kind of sense. Because reset means if you are thinking that okay, this is not for me, everything is over for me, then we have to reset your mindset. No, I think that I can do from here also, from even from this situation I can lift me up. This is called reset. Then restart. When your mindset has been changed and you are in a zone that I can do that thing, then you restart, focus, restart, your journey will take place, and then you will restart everything. And third one is focus. Focus means now you have you are doing that thing in a proper way, then you will start focusing everything in a proper way, so that you will achieve everything you want. But for that you we need to do everything in a proper direction and the guidance as well. So yeah, just accept the three things, and maybe you can write on the paper or paste on the walls, kind of that: reset, restart, focus. Actually I have made this video and on this topic because I literally need that thing to be shared with you and even me. Because if I'm if I'm sharing with you, then it is my also responsibility that I should stand on it. I should value that word that I have delivered to you. So even I will do that. Just keep hustling and keep enjoying throughout the journey, because every day will not be the same, and even the pressure situation will come, and we have to remain consistent throughout our life. Okay, meeting soon. Always have a smile on the face. Bye.